Hi, welcome to the Peaceful Home. Today we're going to do a deep clean of my bedroom and I'm going to get it decorated for Christmas. This is just the easiest spot for me to start, and working my way down to the more public areas, living room, dining room, kitchen. But this is a great way just to get motivated and inch your way into the holidays. I really use this as an excuse to be able to just really clean my bedroom well, to declutter. So that's the first thing I did. I began to declutter, get junk out of the way, get things donated, put things where they belong in the house. And then I traded out my sheets for my fleece sheets for the winter. I put those on, and yesterday I washed my curtains. Now, in addition to washing them, even though I bought all of these panels at the same time, there was one in particular that was probably 4 inches longer than the others. And I've just been putting up with it for a couple of years. But this time after I washed them, I actually measured and I sewed up that hem so that it's even. And I put those back up, and now I'm ready to do a little bit of cleaning and then we'll start decorating. If this content is inspiring or helpful to you in any way, I would love it if you would share it with someone you know and hit the subscribe button so that you receive notifications of when we upload a video, usually once to twice a week. Let's get cleaning. I love these polar fleece sheets. We got them last year. My husband actually got them maybe 2 years ago for Christmas. And I think in my linen closet organization video, if you look that up, I did link Amazon link for these. And honestly, they are my favorite thing about winter. They are just so cozy. I used to love flannel. This is just far above flannel. They're just so soft and wonderful. And then I was needing a new winter comforter. We were just piling on blankets and blankets. And I found this at Target last year, and it's enormous. It's a woolly mammoth. I'm going to put on the shams and get the comforter going. It's fur on one side and kind of this lamb's wool, faux of course, on the other side. And it's just really cozy. So I'm gonna get this put on. I chose to take advantage of this time to deep clean and move everything. And one of the things I use a lot are these sliders. They call them magic sliders. They're available at any hardware store. Target, Walmart. They have the hard plastic ones for carpet and the felt for hard surfaces like hardwood or linoleum. And all you need to do is just have enough strength to nudge up a corner of a piece of furniture to slide one of these under. And they really are like magic. You will be able to push the heaviest piece of furniture across a room with ease. I'm going to use these really quick on this chest that usually is in my office, but I'm moving it into my bedroom to use it. It is normally my gift wrap station, that's what's inside, and I'm going to convert it to Christmas gift wrap. When I start putting my decor out, I just really fiddle with things. I move things around a lot, try things in different spots. I'm looking for variation of type and height. You can use the rule of 3 when you're decorating. 3 items placed together in close proximity. You can even do 5 or 7. Odd numbers tend to be the most pleasing to the eye. I have a wreath that I'll be putting up on this wall. I didn't have to remove anything because I have never put anything up here since we moved in 3.5 years ago. I'm waiting for the spring to redo my bedroom and hopefully have some artwork up here. But meanwhile, a wreath is going up for Christmas. Now I want to show you a quick tip. Most people that put artwork or decor above a couch, a hutch, a bed, tend to put it too high. So I'm going to show you how I calculated just the right spot to hang this. Here's a little formula you can use when you're putting artwork above another piece of furniture. The tendency is to go too high, and you really want to ground your artwork with your piece of furniture. So you definitely want it lower than halfway. So that's a really general formula right there. Find halfway and go lower. What I do is I measure. So there's my sofa, no judgment. See my little throw pillows? I measured from ceiling to the back of this couch. And this was 50 inches. Now that's exactly what it was. Above my bed pillows to the ceiling was 50 inches. So I take 1/4 of that. So 50 divided by 4 is 12 point something. So 12 inches, I'm gonna come down 12 inches, and that's gonna be my new, top. And from there, between here and here, I'm gonna find the halfway point, which is right here, and I'm gonna center my artwork or my gallery wall or wreath or whatever I'm doing right here between these 2 lines. The difference with this method is that you're going to avoid something that's put halfway in your space, which is going to feel like it's floating up above your furniture. When I go to put this on the nail, you can see the difference in how it's just a little bit lower. Now, obviously with the bed, if you sit up in bed to read, you do want to make sure that you have some clearance for that. But for the most part, this method works great. Well, I'm all finished. It really didn't take too much, and the satisfaction of knowing that my room is totally clean and I got rid of clutter is just a wonderful feeling. And as far as decorating goes, I really did pretty simple things. Not a whole lot of effort. You'll see I kind of chose a theme of green and black and white and trees. And I love greenery, I love trees, and it's really easy to just take a little tree like this. I've been collecting these over the years. I pick them up at clearance at the end of the year. This year, Target Dollar Spot has some beautiful ones. I'll point out one of those that I got. And just setting this on a table, it's that simple. And you'll see how beautiful it looks. And it really is easy. So take an afternoon, take a Saturday to just clean, decorate your space. I guarantee you will just have more peace being in a calm, uncluttered space. It's time for a little tour. Thanks for joining me on my bedroom clean and declutter and Christmas tour. I hope you have a great day.